Now continue to split the slab. Click on slab split. I want to split this slab separately. Click on the slab splits. Click. Enter. To join the slab, click on the slab join. Click the right slab. Click the left slab. Okay, this slab join together. The thickness dip. The dip is 150 mm. So now we have to check this slab panel. We split and correct the left slab level. Keep it alignment at the 0 or at the top. Yeah, the vertical offset is 0. Grid line D and B2. Click on the structure 3D. So the architectural grids. Grid line B and D2. B and D2. Edit cutting plan. Click on the structure bearing rotation 0. So bearing direction. Reset all. Cutting plans. Click on the plan. Click on the narrow side. Click on the plan, click on the narrow side, drag and drop. Yes, the location. Okay. Click on cutting plan, click on the plan, click on narrow side, drag and drop. Escape. Check the level. You see, this is the slab. We split it separately, the right slab and the left slab. The left slab we change the level to the vertical offset 0, and the right slab we keep the vertical offset minus 100 mm. You see what is different when you use the split on beam and split on OC slab. This is how you can split and change the alignment for change the vertical offset on the OC slab and OC beam. Thank you for your watching.